Okay, India clinical once again, undefeated in the tournament so far. And just look at the scenes right here in St. Lucia. It's going to be a long party, and you can join it. It's going to be a long party. A bit of Caribbean flavor as you'd expect with India chants, but the beats are truly Caribbean. How was the game?
Very nice, sir. It was great game. So we wanted to take revenge.
Okay.
Yeah.
One by one. Yeah.
We wanted to take a revenge. So that's why hopefully we will not see Australia in the semis or final. Thank you.
What was special today?
Oh, the Rohit Sharma show today. Today was the Rohit Sharma. Only Rohit Sharma ji.
The best one. Akshay Patel the cat.
Sharma ji, kamal kar diya.
वर्ल्ड क्लास इनिंग्स बाय रोहित शर्मा. कमिंस एंड स्टार्क एंड हेजलवुड के सामने ये रन स्कोर करना कोई बैट्समैन नहीं कर सकता. अमेजिंग रोहित शर्मा.
मुंबई का राजा
रोहित शर्मा.
आज किया कौन करेगा टीयर शेड? ट्रेविस हेड. कौन करेगा टीयर शेड?
ट्रेविस हेड.
घर की ले ले टैक्सी.
मैक्सी.
घर की ले ले टैक्सी.
मैक्सी.
Love it. Just absolutely love it. Love it. Okay. Let me see this. Okay, wait.
Zampa hit the ball to Tampa. Okay, चलो. ले ले घर की टैक्सी. मैक्सी. 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 ले ले घर की टैक्सी. मैक्सी.
Okay. Acha, nothing for Rohit Sharma at the start today.
What batting, yaar.
What innings by Rohit Sharma.
He was waiting for the big day.
Now do it.
What do you mean? Hi Nikhil, good to see you. I doffing my hat to Rohit. Mumbai ka Raja.
Rohit Sharma.
Mumbai ka Raja.
₹5 की पेप्सी. रोहित भाई सेक्सी. ₹5 की पेप्सी. सूर्या भाई सेक्सी.
भाई सेक्सी.
What a catch though. What a catch. अच्छा.
किसने रोके सिक्सर?
अक्षर.
किसने रोके सिक्सर?
अक्षर.
किसने मारा सिक्सर? रोहित शर्मा मारा सिक्स.
That didn't try. He tried.
He's so today. He's so.
This is very little redemption for November 19th.
Acha, you guys.
Very little redemption.
You guys think it's revenge for November 9th?
Of course.
I think it doesn't go all the way, but at least half the way maybe. But Rohit's batting, man, that was beautiful to watch. No concern for century, just keep going. 30, 40, 50, 60, 100 doesn't matter. Just keep going. What sixes, what beautiful hits.
Learning to play cricket as well. Yeah, go ahead.
There is a reason why he's called Hitman, and today he showed us why he is the Hitman, and fucking amazing innings.
Okay.
Of course. Agree with him, outstanding. But what about Bumrah? Right? Can we wrap him in cotton and preserve him for the finals? Like, I think he can skip the semi-finals because
No skipping. It's against England.
I don't agree with you.
it can be washed out. But Rohit Sharma,
मेरा सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन है.
मेरे से या निखिल से?
हमारा बेटा कैसा हो? शर्मा जी के जैसा हो. शर्मा जी. This is today is the Sharma ji show.
Okay, look at this. Everyone in cricket fever. You know, the amount of joy that you see, not just when you watch the game, not just when you watch the game. I'm lucky enough to be here, but you know the joy I see on the fans and the way they celebrate. I think that makes watching cricket live even more special. Apart from, of course, you know the outstanding batting or the bowling and the nuances of the sport that we all enjoy. It's, I think, this energy, this excitement, this love, wearing their heart on the sleeves, the fans bring to the ground. I think that's what makes watching India very special. And again, no disrespect to any other team. This kind of energy, this kind of enthusiasm, you mostly see with Indian fans. Remember, this tournament is being played miles away from India. A lot of them have traveled from India. A lot of them have traveled from Canada, US. We're struggling for flights, but you know they've slept over at the airport for overnight. Sometime they've reached on islands where there's no cricket even, just so that they can make the flight here to watch this Indian team play. And the way this Indian team is playing, clearly most of these fans that you see behind me have got their money's worth. Incredible scenes here at St. Lucia. It's a special win. I know India had almost qualified, but it's a special win because it can't replace November 19th, but to an extent it's eased up that pain. Not completely erased it, but eased it up for sure. And then to knock Australia out, which is a possibility, makes it even more special. You guys take care. Don't forget to subscribe to Sports Today and keep showering us with the love that you have been giving us all throughout this tournament. May that continue. We'll keep bringing you the latest updates. Guyana is up next. Next update is going to come from there. Take care. Bye bye. Nikhil Naz signing off for now.